Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we have a Camaro Z-28. Of course, it's made by Hot Wheels, and it actually doesn't have any wheels on it. And to be honest, the bottom is probably the only thing holding the two halves together. And as you can see, when the bottom comes off, both of the halves break apart. And as you can see, I do put down my mask for a minute just to scratch my nose. Of course, I do remember to put on my gloves, my mask, and my goggles. You should do the same. Trust me, you really want to. And this is just liquid paint remover. It's just just liquid paint remover. Now I did accidentally lose the footage of the paint coming off, so here's just me putting after putting some primer on, putting a coat of red lacquer on it. And this is just isn't the sort of fancy kind. It's just store-brand stuff. And as you can see, it's later in the day. Now, pardon the mess. I do have a whole bunch of projects I'm working on at the moment. And I'm just applying super glue to this. Just Gorilla Glue. And I do make sure to put some super glue on the inside so that the plastic parts stick to the metal parts. And unfortunately, I don't have the footage of what will be going on after. Of course, I just want to say real quick, a happy Labor Day to you and all. is going out today on Labor Day, September 5th. And yeah.